Want to empower your Wix website to collect donations seamlessly, fueling your passion and supporting your cause? First, head over to your Wix editor and navigate to the page where you want to showcase your PayPal donation form. Once you're there, click the Add Elements button, usually represented by a plus sign icon, on the left-hand side of your screen. Scroll down the Add Elements menu until you find the Embed Code option. This lets us insert custom HTML to add the PayPal donation button. Choose the Embed HTML option, click and drag it, placing it exactly where you want the donation form to be displayed on your page. Now, open the Code Settings panel. This is where you'll paste your PayPal donation form code, which you'll obtain directly from your PayPal account after creating a donation button. Simply copy the HTML code provided by PayPal for your donation button and paste it into the code input field within the Wix Code settings. After pasting the code, click the Apply button to save your changes and embed the PayPal donation form onto your Wix website. Check the donation form by clicking Preview in the right-hand corner to make sure the form is displaying properly on your site. Then publish and you're all set to start accepting donations.